Jual, from the moment we met in middle school, I never could have imagined that you'd become my best friend. And then one day, we would become the love of my life. But looking back now, I see how God was writing our story all along, patiently, purposefully, and perfectly.
I found love in you, and I've learned to love me too.
As I sat with myself in God, and today I can say you, Ajaya, make me feel calm, safe, loved, and happy. You are secure, you are steady, you are intentional, unwavering, always near, and always there.
Ooh, this is why I love you, because you love me. You love me. I've been on my knees and I've been praying loud. Palms getting sweaty, my nerves feeling heavy. Holding back these tears as I see your face. I'm a lucky man, wondering how did I get you? We made it this far, and now we're standing hand in hand. Yeah. No doubts in my heart that I found the one that's heaven sent. And today is your day. You look beautiful in that dress, baby. Yeah, I fell for an angel. Only 2 words for me to say. I'ma say it to your face. I do, I do. I'ma say it to your face.
When Ajay decided to date my sister, I saw a change in him. It was a different Ajay, and I enjoyed being around him. Now I have a new brother, and so it's just amazing. I just want to say thank you guys for always being there for me. And I'm so happy you guys found that love and that bond, and I'm so happy. I'm so happy that you guys are married now.
Butterflies is what I feel inside. And every time it's like my first time away. And I can never find the words to say. You're the perfect girl. You were made for me. It's so easy to love you, baby. We're compatible, credible, and natural.
Dreaming my life
one hand in mine. That's what I've waited for. Two, dreaming as one. Love has begun. Promising so much more. No one else can see that you're beautiful. I love you higher than anyone can count. Nowhere to be found. A love I have in you is higher. What love is all about. Girl, I can live without your love. Kisses from you. That's when I knew heaven was on our side. Forever we are two special stars sharing a common life. If you are the prize, I know we love you in your life. I love you higher than anyone can count.
Got my boots on the ground. Fans, please. I hope you got good knees, cause we gon' get it up. Everybody's dancing to that juke joint love. Hold on to your wig, hold on to your man.